Hi editors, today we'll be creating this cool grainy typography in After Effects. Create a new comp and add a text layer. Write your text and center it. Animate the scale like shown in the example. Ease the keyframes. Set the speed graph. Add a new shape layer. Choose any shape type and size you want. Duplicate the layer, place the shapes around the text. Make sure all of the shapes are placed outside of your text. Animate the shapes like this. From the 0 frame to the 150 frame, make sure shapes are not intersect with the text in any frame till the 150 frame. Scroll all the way to the 150th frame and place the shapes on top of your text. The animation should look like this. Ease the keyframes and set the speed graphs, as in the example. Make position adjustments if needed. Now, add a new Null object. Parent the shapes to it. Animate the rotation as in the example. Make sure to fix the shape positions after that. Pre-compose all layers except for the text. Do you want to elevate your video editing game? Find all you need on EasyEdit stock. Templates, text effects, presets. Discover a world of versatile assets for your next video. Get inside of the pre-comp, apply a rough and edges effect. Set the values to make the shape grainy and uneven. Animate the evolution. Add a x6 keyframe. Add a fill effect. Set the color to black. Paste the settings to other shapes as well. Change the text's track matte to alpha matte. Add a new background shape layer, place it below other layers. Pick a color as in the example. Add a turbulent displace effect. Add a x6 expression to the evolution parameter. Duplicate the effect, change the values. Add a roughen edges with these values. Now, add a paper texture on top. You can use any texture you like, for example, the free ones from FreePick. Change its blending mode to screen. Add levels to fix the contrast. You can duplicate the texture and change its blending mode. Add an invert to fix the colors. Add a new adjustment layer and a displacement map effect to it. Link it to the paper texture. Duplicate the effect, add a posterized time, and change the frame rate. Add a sharpen effect, increase the amount. Change colors of the circles. Drop the comp with circles under your text. And change the track matte. Your grainy typography effect is ready. If you like the result, make sure to hit the like button and follow our channel for more tutorials. See you in next video.